In the continuation of the principles of social action, we say that the bringing out the reality is a very important principle in the method of social action. Injustice and oppression are the complex issues and deeply rooted in the whole environment, and maybe the wrong social policies, and maybe the wrong strategies for the economy, and maybe the people are not given the chances and equal opportunities to avail all the resources which are present in their society, in their community, and they don't have the equal access and control over resources. So it is important that the injustice and the oppression, which are fundamental belief for the social action workers, that it is important to accept that injustice, oppression, and discrimination exist in the society. But their existence has a very strong connection with the whole environment, the other social forces, the economic scene of the society, and the cultural patterns which allow some people to avail all the opportunities, and why there are the concentration of wealth for some people, and why there is a big gulf between the haves and the have-nots. So these kind of realities should be brought into the notice of the community people, so they can understand their problems very well. Because it commonly exists in the society that people develop the negative kind of understanding about their problems, and they become frustrated and depressed that nothing can be done to change the situation. But it is important for the social action workers to make the people understand that their problems have the connection with the other social forces, the cultural forces, economic forces, and it must be the common concerns to resolve their issues and problems. And this pattern of thinking gives people the opportunity to come out of the depressing state of affair, and it gives hope to the people that they can resolve their issues, and it is within their jurisdiction that they can find out the ways to solve their problems, and they can come out from their negative thinking and negative views. It also helps the individuals to understand that although their problems exist on individual level, but to do something by organizing so they can overcome these problems. Realizing the importance of collective effort is also a very important principle in the method of social action. And it is all about to motivate the people to work collectively. First of all, to bring the awareness on in the collective conscious level of people, and to motivate the people, and to make them realize that the collective efforts can be crucial, can be very important for the solution of the problem as compared to the individual efforts. The collective voice can be more strong, powerful to raise their to raise the voice for their rights. An important role of the social action worker is to bring people together and to create the feelings of togetherness, a sense of being together among the people, so that they can share their experiences, their opinions, and they can make the best use of their collective resources and skills and potential to fight against injustice, discrimination, oppression within the community. لوگوں کے اندر جب اجتماعی شعور اور اجتماعی سوچ پیدا کر دی جاتی ہے تو وہ زیادہ مضبوطی کے ساتھ، زیادہ اسٹرینتھ کے ساتھ، زیادہ پاور کے ساتھ اپنے مسائل کے بارے میں نہ صرف بات کر سکتے ہیں بلکہ ڈفرینٹ فورم پر ان کو ریپرزینٹ کر سکتے ہیں، ایڈوکیٹ کر سکتے ہیں، لابنگ کر سکتے ہیں اور بہترین حل اپنے مسائل کا تلاش کر سکتے ہیں. It is also important for the social action worker to use the principle of being a facilitator, not leader. The job of the social action worker is to enable people to make decisions for themselves and to take ownership of whatever the consequences are. So if an insight is developed among the community people, among the individuals, and they are taken into the confidence for the solution of the problems, they take more responsibility. So the job of the social action worker is to work alongside the group, with the people, with the individual, while resisting the temptation to be the member of the group or to be the leader of the group in an authoritarian manner. Rather, to facilitate the people, to develop the insight and to find out the best course of action, the line of action for the solution of their problems. So this is the peculiar characteristic of the social action intervention in the field of social work. کہ جس میں جو سوشل ایکشن ورکر ہے وہ ایک فیسیلیٹیٹر کا رول ادا کرتا ہے، کمیونٹی کے لوگوں کو فیسیلیٹیٹ کرتا ہے کہ وہ اپنے پرابلمس کو بہتر انداز سے سمجھیں اور ان کے حل تلاش کریں، اور جو بھی اس کے نتائج برآمد ہوں ان کی جو کلیکٹیو ایفرٹس کے نتیجے میں، اس کی ذمہ داری جو ہے وہ بھی اس قبول کریں، اور اس کی آگے کیا فائدے کیا ہوں گے، بینیفٹ، کہ وہ زیادہ کانفیڈنٹ ہوں گے، اور جب کوئی نئی پرابلم اس سلسلے میں دوبارہ سے ہوگی تو وہ زیادہ بہتر انداز سے اس کا حل تلاش کر سکیں گے. سو دس از ویری امپورٹنٹ کہ جو سوشل ایکشن ورکر ہے وہ اتھارٹیٹیو رول کو اڈاپٹ نہ کرے، ایک کمانڈر کا رول جو ہے وہ اڈاپٹ نہ کرے، ایک لیڈر کا رول اڈاپٹ نہ کرے، اور نہ ہی کمیونٹی کے لوگوں کے ساتھ اتنا جو ہے وہ بہت زیادہ گھل مل جائے کہ وہ ایک ممبر کے طور پر کام کریں، جس کی وجہ سے لوگ اس کی پریزنس سے جو ہے وہ کانشیس ہو سکتے ہیں، اور مے بی وہ اپنے مسائل اوپنلی جو ہے وہ شیئر نہ کر سکیں، اور اس کانشیسنس کی وجہ سے وہ یا الرٹنس کی وجہ سے وہ اپنے جو سلوشن ہیں پرابلمس کے وہ بہتر انداز میں تلاش نہ کر سکیں. اور اگر کوئی نئی ٹاسک آتی ہے تو اس سلسلے میں بھی پھر دوبارہ سے جو سوشل ایکشن ورکر ہے اس کی ہیلپ کی جو اس کو جو ہے وہ they must not seek for the help of the social action worker again. Rather, they should be independent for the new situation to find out the new ways of solution of the problem.